Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are fine. Thank you for watching this video. This is the second one about the topic freelancing, how to become a full freelancer and how you can move from a full-time job to a freelancer. You can uh, you can do it by step-by-step progression like I have said before. So do like me. I'm happy. I'm working as a freelancer now. I have some channels on YouTube. I have a customer support job. Also, I'm uh, I'm also a designer. I use Photoshop to edit pictures for some clients and also for some friends here in this city. Uh, yeah, freelancer is a very good things. I hope you can do that. I hope you can try, because if you don't try, you will not succeed. So that's it. I was always saying that this was said by someone in France. Qui tente rien n'aura rien. So who doesn't try anything will not get anything. So you need to try something to get something. So if you don't get anything, so yeah, anything is something. In fact, but you need to try. You need to especially do what you love. Maybe turn your hobbies as a job. So I see many YouTube creators are doing what they like, and that's how they earn money. So maybe you can think like something like that. Most of us, even me, I was doing something that I don't like, but I was forced to do it because I need money. So that's why I moved to freelancing. The first thing that led me to move to this freelance is because I was trapped in the whole day by the job from 8 to 6. It's too much. Imagine when I say 8, that means 7 or less, because you have to wake up, you get your breakfast, you get dressed, take your car, then go. You need 1 hour or 1 hour and a half to join the job place. Then it's the same thing when you want to get back to home. You are out at 6, so you will be at home at 7 o'clock or maybe 7:30. So you are like a machine, and you turn all the day like that. It's killing the motivation, so you are not motivated anymore. So that's why I try to do something else and try to find something on the web, online. That's why how I discovered something called freelancing, and I become a freelancer, and I'm happy with the result, the final result. I'm still looking for something new. I'm still trying to make something new. Like I'm starting this channel, even I have 2 others, and I want also to do something else because I have time. The first time you create a channel, it's not easy because you have to make the recording, to make the editing on. Then you have to place the video online. Then you have to choose the correct title, the description, the images, the thumbnail. That's a big work. The first time, if you will see all of that, you will say, "Oh no, this is too much," and maybe you're gonna stop. But if you try to do that the first time, then you will do it the second time, the third time, the fourth time. Maybe the first time we do it in maybe 4 hours. But after doing that every week or maybe twice per week, you will do it in like 2 hours, then 1 hour. So that's it. You will become a professional. So you don't need more time to do the same thing every day. I remember the first time I have made the weather channel, I was posting 1 video per day, and I have to create it in the morning and then wait till the afternoon to put it online. So I had to spend like like an hour and a half to post one video of 8 minutes. Then I do that every day, and at the second week it became something easy. I do it in like 20 minutes. So, and I discovered something new. I was doing the weather for only one country. Then in the comments, the audience was telling me to, why not to please, or something like, please, what about this country? Please, what about this country? So I started creating another video about the weather in that country and another country. Now I'm doing the weather for 5 countries, and I do that in like 2 hours between the recording, creating the title and the descriptions, then creating the thumbnails, and also the time I have to spend to put all this together in the online, in the YouTube studio. So just try to do what you want to do, like creating a YouTube channel. Create it, start putting recording 1 per day, or 2 days, or something like that, like 1 per week or twice per week, maybe 2 videos per week. Just put them online. Just try to watch them once, twice, and you will discover that you have made a mistake in this one, you have made another mistake. In the next video, you will correct this one, you will correct this one, you will make it better, and video by video you will become more professional, and you will get more idea about how you can create like another content. So this is how you're gonna learn. So don't just keep watching video and keep thinking how you can work online, how you can create a YouTube channel, how you can get a good niche, how you can it's not about that. You have to start, then you will be forced to find new idea, new content, or learn something new and start doing that as a freelancer. This is how you can start. So just start, and things will come later. So start and you will see. Many things in my life I didn't want to start. Once I started them, I was doing great, and I'm still doing great because I believe in myself. We are the same. We all have the same mind. If this one or this person can do that, why not me? This person, maybe he have spent more time to learn what he is doing now. I can also spend more than the time he has spent and learn this, then start doing what he is doing. And why not do it better than him? So there is no difference. The only difference is that this person have started the job, or have started what he is doing now, and you didn't start. So believe in yourself. Just work on yourself, learn new things. Everything is available online. Anything you want is online. Just open YouTube, write anything you want to learn, and you will find it. So learn new things and start doing what you want, and you will success. That's my word. That's it for this video. I will make another one the next week and share it with you. So please accept my apologize for my accent. I'm not a good one. I'm not an American. I'm not an Englishman. So I will see you next week. So take care, and please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question or any idea, just share it with me in the comments. I have my email address shared in the description. I'm open to anything. Take care. Bye there.